Hi, this is Shafiul Azam from Cox's Bazar, Bangladesh. My GitHub and index username is ShiponCox, and today is 19th of July 2025, and my project title is Inventory Management. Let's go through live. Okay, first let's create a new user by clicking register. Okay, let's put a username. Let's say user, password, and confirm password, register. Okay, now we have successfully created a new user. As you can see, there is no item currently. The dashboard is empty. So let's create a new one by add one by clicking add one. Okay, now let's create our first item. Let's say item 1, and the SKU is optional. In description, this is also optional. Let's say this is for test, and the quantity, let's say 10. Add item. Here we go, and now we have one item, item 1, and the quantity is 10. So now when we are receiving any stock, then we have to add stock by clicking receive stock. So let's select our item, the item 1, and the quantity, let's say 5, receive stock. Now you can see the current stock is 15. So now when we are dispatching stock, click dispatch stock, select again item 1, quantity, let's say for 3, and the reason we can put anything, but it is optional again. So click on dispatch stock. See, now it is 12, so it is working perfectly. Let's click on history to see our all transactions here. Here we can see the time, item name, transaction type, quantity, and the reason at a glance. That's it. Thank you everyone.